Ever wondered why we get hiccups? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm spasms unexpectedly. Drinking water can help reset your diaphragm. Holding your breath is another popular remedy. Sour foods like lemon can stimulate your throat. Pulling your tongue can interrupt the hiccup reflex. Warm beverages can soothe the diaphragm. Distracting yourself with laughter can help too. Pressure on the chest can calm the spasms. Relaxation techniques can also be effective. Deep breathing exercises can ease the diaphragm. Next time you hiccup, try these methods and find relief.